Hallo Klasse von Schüler, heute lernen wir von Arbeitsbuch, Seite Nummer 25, Lektion 6. Was ist das? What is that? Nummer 1. Fill in the blanks with the indefinite articles ein or eine. So here they have given the words, and for you I have written all the original articles. Okay, so if the article is there or das, we write the word ein. If the article is the plural, or if it is the feminine, we write the if it is the feminine, then only we write the eine. Okay, so I'm reading these words for you: stool, Brot, Gitarre, House, Bleistift, Handi, Heft, Uher, Radiergummi, Spitzer. Now let's solve the Frage 2. Fill in the blanks with the conjunction of the verb haben. Okay, haben verb conjugation. So here all the personal pronouns they have given. With wir it's always haben. Now see, this Erika is a girl. Okay, that means she is a she, z wala, and with that the conjugation is heart. So answer is heart. Lumpy is a boy. Hair brown is a male. Okay, that's why the conjugation of haben with air is heart. So here the answer is heart. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Frage 3. Write the following sentences in German. In English they have given here, you have to write in German. One example I will solve for you. Do you have a car? Now in German there is no do or does we use. We directly use the verb, that is a have, and in German we use the verb hast. Because here the subject is you, we have used the du. Hast du ein Auto? Do you have a car? Okay, same you have to solve the rest. In Frage 4, unjumble the letters and find out the words. Jumbled words they have given. You have to unjumble. Some of the photos also they have given for your ease. Okay, for example, the last one is Schultasche, that is school bag. Okay, here the photo also they have shown. Now let's solve the Frage 5. Take the odd man out. Okay, in the first one, Radiergummi is not a furniture part, so it's odd man out. Second one, Federtasche is not a stationary item. Third one, mouse is not a place. Fourth one, Spitzer. Now here, Spitzer, der Bleistift, Kuli, and Fuller. These are all means of writing with which we write. That's why this is odd man out, Spitzer. In fifth one, cola is a drink. The cola. That's why it is odd man out. Now let's solve the Frage 6. Fill in the missing letters and find out the noun. Also mention the indefinite article ein or eine. Follow the example given. First example they have given, this is a picture of a Bleistift. I have written here original articles for you, so that you can write here indefinite articles. Okay, der Bleistift, so it is ein Bleistift. Now let's come to the Frage 7. Give the German equivalent for the nouns given below. So this is a puzzle given across and down. Now table, so table is a Tisch, so this is the across, we have written Tisch. Okay, same, write all the German words for this. And this copy means student notebook. Copy means notebook. Now let's solve the second last question. Arrange these words in the right order to form the correct sentence. Jumbled words they have given. Now let's solve the third one. There is a question mark. Okay, and question mark, and this is a yes no question, because there is no WH question. So that means this is a second type of a question, WH, which always start with the verb. Okay, so the question will become hast, verb, then subject du, and then object eine Schokolade. And don't forget the Fragezeichen, question mark. Now, here for you I have written the sentence structure. In a simple sentence, subject first place, verb second place. In yes no question, verb is at first place and then subject is at second place. Same I have explained here to you. Okay. Now the last question, correct the spellings. Wrong spellings they have given, you have to just correct it and write. So this was our Lexion 6 Arbeitsbuch Schüler. We will meet our in next video. Till then, choose.